Good morning. So we've turned the corner. We're on our way northbound. I gave up beach view and camping right on the sand for the desperate need to do some laundry, take a shower, and that's about it. That was that just it jumps to the top of the priority list after a while. I use all my water for extended stays right on the beach, so I prefer not to shower unless I have to. The shower is amazing though. It's hot, it's strong, it's great, but I use about 3 to 5 gallons each time, so it's it adds up. Anyway, we're here at I gave up, went up into the hills a little bit, not too far up. You can see the beach down there still. See it? We're between Cabo San Lucas and Todos Santos, and we're at a ranch that offers some amenities, very basic amenities to Overlanders. So I took advantage of that, did my laundry, and we're good to go. I'm about to take off now. We're just going about 50 miles up the road, not even, for our next spot, and of course it is going to be on the ocean. The whale watching has been just unbelievable. The drone footage, just something I never thought I'd be doing. I never even once thought about that, but it never gets old. I hope you've enjoyed that as much as I have. But no, we're just right here, and just packed up, took a shower, and we're gonna head out. What we're gonna try to do is, I'm not making any promises, but so you guys recall the East Cabo road. It's about 90 miles of just straight up dirt, washboard. It beat me up pretty good over 2 days. Truck and Panda are in good shape, but it was a difficult, it wore me out. So the west side of the peninsula, the Pacific side, has a similar road, except it's 150 miles. The condition is unknown, so we're going to try to go up the west coast as planned. Really, no one does it. They head back to La Paz via the main road, Federal Highway 1, and zigzag northbound up the peninsula. But I'm in no hurry to head north to winter again, and so we're gonna take our time and just go slow, and maybe do 30 miles a day. That's about 2 hours on that washboard. So, and just slowly head north and see what spots we can find on the right on the Pacific. Get ready for some serious sunsets, because I've never seen such beautiful sunsets in my life. Anyway, it's about it. Yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Good morning. We're over here in Todos Santos on the west side as we make our way north along the Pacific, doing a local hike. It's supposed to be a heck of a view on the other side. Pretty remote, just like I like. So we're up and over these two mountains here and then down, and we should have a beach all to ourselves. We're going to knock this out and then head to our next destination. Slow going along the Pacific. Not even sure that I can get all the way where I want to go, but we're gonna see. Road conditions are really, it's not a road, it's a dirt. It's not even dirt, it's sand that I'm worried about. Deep sand in some areas. Otherwise I have to turn around and come pick up the main road. Getting a little bit windy, hope you can hear me. Leveled off here for a moment. Not really sure how far to make it to that sort of secret spot, let's call it, that I just saw off of Google Maps, but it looks to be just wonderful. I hope we can access it. So we're headed out here and up. After Todos Santos, if I do take the Pacific route, if I can make it, if I can, you know, if it looks okay, there is nothing, no cell service. I probably won't have cell service for 15 days as I make my way. Wow, check this out, man, look at this. Wow, holy moly, wow. Now that is down there. Woo. Fantastic. I think where we want to go is up that way though, and then down. But this looks incredible right here. That's a good 200 feet. This way, Brady, come on. This way, buddy, we're not done. We're going up. We're going up here, buddy. You know, the fear is always getting stuck in the sand or not being able to turn around, you know, one or the other, and just, you know, no one driving by for maybe days, literally days, the route that I want to take. But anyway, I'm going to try it. I'm going to go little by little, and we'll see how it goes. It's definitely off the beaten path. There's not much at all on any of the apps or anything up this way. If I were in just the truck, it would be a different story, you know, but towing just makes it a whole different scenario. Slow going. Sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones hardest to get to, you know. I'm hoping that anyway. Time for some rock crawling. Oh, these rocks are pretty easy. Great traction. Massive rocks though, man. Just incredible. Ah. Look at this tree right here. Unbelievable. Just growing out of this boulder. beautiful tree. I'm not sure what it is, but look at the bark. It's like white almost. Phenomenal. Unbelievable. All right, we're up over this first one, or second one depending. So let's go walk over on this side, see if we can look at that beach, or at least see how far it is, see if we got it in us today. Oh, look at this little path right here. Look at this, unexpected. Wow. All right. Yeah, I know that you know, up through there where, you know, where we just came from meets the real trail, but I wanted to climb up. I just enjoy, you know, the rock crawling. But look at this. This is just splendid up here, my gosh. What do you think, Brady? Some goats? Stay in the car. Shh. Well, we're on the I'm not sure what road this is called. It resembles the east side dirt sand road that we took. We're on the north side of Todos Santos, headed to a place called Agua Blanca, which is not too far, but at 5 to 10 miles an hour it takes a while. So we're just you know, nice and easy, enjoying the view. The beach is just right there, the Pacific Ocean. And yeah, we're just taking our time, see how it goes, seeing if we can take this road all the way up for like 100 miles, 150 miles actually, and we'll see how it goes. I haven't seen a house for miles. All of a sudden, there's this huge house, beautiful house, in the middle of freaking nowhere. That guy wants his solitude. So the beach is just on the other side of this pretty substantial sand dune here, and not very long to go. About looks like about a mile. And man, this was interesting, doable, but when you don't know, it always adds to the fun. This is the way this road has been. It's pretty nice right now as far as the washboard, but it got narrower just a minute ago. And so we're just gonna keep the momentum going here so we don't get stuck. And we'll see you at camp, hopefully.